Hello, this is an overview of the final for this course. It's very similar to the study document that I've already provided you. Here is a reminder of the course objectives from the syllabus. Here is the alignment diagram between the skills we were covering, the learning events that you did, and how they can help you find and keep a job. The alignment diagram. The directions are simple. There are 7 topics, pretty similar to what you saw the first time, all aligned to those high-level learning skills. Your task is to take any 3 of the questions and answer them. Follow the directions. Times New Roman, font size 12, double spaced. Please put your name on the left top of the paper. Number them at the center bottom of the page. At the end, give me the word count. Just a parenthesis with the word count. All essays are 400 to 500 or more words. Use headings and subheadings. Let's look at the rubric. No typos, no misspellings, no spacing, no MS Word warnings. That will indicate that you have a command, of MS Word, which are both required work skills. I'd like to see the application of the concepts to real-world issues. I'd like to see your analytical skills, which include following directions, which is a workforce employment requirement, and your ability to judge the worth of an idea or concept evaluation, and of course, thinking out of the box and being creative. So, I have the questions here. They're very similar to what I gave you as a study guide a week ago. Thank you very much. We'll talk about it in class. I hope you find it interesting and challenging activity.